So I know some students were having trouble viewing the previous video due to the size of the video itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a quick look at how to actually get the form that you need to get within the lab to put the file into Blackboard for your gradebook. So you're going to go to your gradebook in the lab and you're going to select a percent on an assignment. So you just click on the grading percent and then you're going to pull up the review your assignment. So here I can see all of my questions. I want to click on any question, and what we're essentially going to do is we are going to tell it we want to print the file. So we're going to go to question help print the homework assignment. If you print this question only, you're only going to get one question in the file. You need the entire file. Now, you want to make sure you're using the best browser possible. I find that Google Chrome is the best browser to use, but you also have to allow pop-ups. So if you have a really strict pop-up blocker, you're going to have problems doing this and you're going to need to call tech support. So when you click print the homework assignment, a new dialog should pop up. If a new dialog does not pop up with a little progress bar, you have it blocked. And you're going to need to call tech support to figure out how to unblock this within your system, okay? Once you do this, you should be able to see all the questions. And this was a quick progress bar because it was a small assignment. The week 1 assignment is 42 questions. It's going to take a little while to generate this. So it's a good thing to do when you're sitting down to dinner. Maybe pull it up and let it sit there and think for a while you're eating. Don't try and sit there and wait for it to do an assignment, okay? You're going to go to click print. Now, depending on your printer, this is going to look different, okay? So your printing software is going to drive what happens here. Somewhere in your printing software, you're going to see save as a PDF, okay, depending on your thing. Now, when I go to print regular things, I can save as a PDF as well. This really depends on your computer. So if I wanted to, see if I can find a file. An example of a different dialog would be if I wanted to print this, I would go to File, Print, and in my printer dialog, see down here at the bottom it says PDF. I go Save as PDF right here, and that brings up the Save dialog. So it really just depends on what your computer setup is as to where that's going to be located. But somewhere in the pop-up, when you click Print, you're going to see Save as PDF. So when you click here, you're going to click Save as PDF and then Save. Now, I keep my titles the title of the assignment. That way, when I submit them in Blackboard, they're done. Once you have that, you want to go back and open that PDF to make sure that it's the right file. It has all the questions in it. Then you're going to go to your next assignment and do the same thing. So week 1, there's only one homework assignment, so you submit one file. Week 2, there's multiple homework assignments, so you're going to submit multiple files. Now, in Blackboard, when you're submitting, be careful. You need to attach all 4 files or all 3 files before you click Submit. If you click Submit, that try is over and you can't go back in and reattach. Now, of course, I will go in and reopen it, but if we can get ahead of that process, it's helpful. So again, you're going to click any question in your assignment, and the goal is that you're trying to print the assignment. So you're going to go to Question Help, Print Homework, and it's going to take, so see, it takes, mine comes up pretty quick right now, and it's usually the case in the morning. Then when you click Print, you're going to save as a PDF, and everyone's dialog will be slightly different. Once you have those files, you're going to go submit them in Blackboard. That way there's a record of your assignment. I cannot give credit if there's not a record of the assignment. So week 1 is going to be a learning curve, and I know that. So if you get stuck or the pop-up doesn't pop up, you need to call tech support. That is 99% of the problem, is a pop-up blocker is blocking that pop-up dialog that comes up when you click print. And tech support is wonderful. You just explain to them that you're enrolled in elementary algebra. You need to be able to save your work as a PDF to submit to Blackboard, and that your computer is blocking the pop-up to see it. That's what you really need to tell them. Not that you need help with the lab itself, because they're going to tell you to call Pearson. You need help unblocking the pop-up so that you can save your file and submit it into Blackboard.